Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Burns most wide to the chest. Medico-legal importance. Medico-legal importance. Burns most widely used illicit drug is cannabis. Sadhus and fakirs use cannabis. Treatment of cannabis. Specific treatment. 100 milliliters of 50% dextrose and 100 milligrams of thiamine is used can be used. 2 milligrams of naloxone can also be used. Cannabis is responsible for only psychological dependence. There is no physical dependence.
thank you and thank you for watching.